All right, so look, I've been using the SoundPEATS Air 3 Deluxe HS for about the last 9 months. These are my dailies right here. They are always in my pocket or my bag. If I leave the house, you can best believe I have these on me. But now here comes SoundPEATS introducing the SoundPEATS Air 4. Now these are coming with Bluetooth 5.3, a really strong connection. I've worn these at the mall, at work, in a warehouse environment, at the store, outside, never had any type of dropped interference, no type of disruptions with audio or calls. That is a really strong connection. 13mm drivers, these sound really good. 26 hours of battery life. Now coming from the Deluxe HS and coming to these, you will notice a difference in battery improvement depending on how you use your buds. But like everybody uses their earbuds different, so that comes down to you completely. App support. If you've used SoundPEATS in the last 2 years, you pretty know what you're getting from the app. It's nice to have, but they do need to step their game up a little bit. I'm just saying. There is a gaming mode. It's nice for like casual gaming. Adaptive ANC. Now, if you've ever used the Samsung Buds Live, think of that, but just a little bit better. Don't buy these strictly for the ANC. It's not mind-blowing. At the end of the day, they are still open back earbuds. But the ANC is better than the Samsung Buds Live ANC. Just think about that type of ANC when you pick these up. But the main reason that I'm personally switching is because of this matte finish case. I mean, just look at the two. You can have this glossy crap case or this beautiful matte finish case. And for real, you gotta know that I'm joking. No way I'm switching just because of case, even though I am kind of petty enough to do that. But the real reason I'm switching is because of the multi-point pairing. Yes, these finally have multi-point pairing, and that is a huge win for me. I carry multiple devices, basically always have 2 devices minimum with me at all times. The buds automatically pairing and switching to whatever device I'm using at that time is a huge convenience for me. But outside of multi-point pairing in ANC, honestly, there's not too much that I can say about these that wasn't the exact same for the Air 3 Deluxe. The Deluxe HS even wins in like 2 areas for me. Quick comparison, just so you know how similar these 2 earbuds are. So when it comes down to the cases, you see glossy finish, matte finish. These are going to pick up fingerprints like crazy. These are going to pick up oils like crazy. So basically, pick your poison. Both have Type-C charging at the bottom of the case. No wireless charging for me. I pick the Air 4 every time. Now when it comes down to earbud design, look, it's a draw. Magnet strength. These are both the same magnet strength. That's a draw. Connection speed, how quick they're going to connect to your device. I noticed no difference in everyday real life use. That's a draw. Comfort. If these didn't fit in your ear, these aren't going to fit in your ear. If you love the way these fit, these are going to fit exactly the same way. I noticed no difference when it came down to comfort. That's also a draw. Game mode, notice no difference. Now these are 5.2, these are Bluetooth 5.3. Real day-to-day difference, I noticed nothing changed between Bluetooth 5.2, Bluetooth 5.3. I didn't notice any real change. You can also use single earbud use. They both share the same app like I said, but the real difference is sound-wise. Honestly, the Deluxe HS sounds just a little bit better. The smallest bit better, but yo, a win is a win. Now, the audio gets better on the Air 4 when you activate ANC. When you actually activate the ANC on the Air 4, it changes up the way everything sounds. So there is a noticeable difference when you have, so there is no transparency mode on here. Basically, normal mode is transparency mode. So when you activate ANC, you do get a little bit better bass, which is actually kind of impressive. But overall, no ANC on here. There is transparency mode, but I like the audio on the HS Deluxe a little bit better than the Air 4. A win is a win. Now, when it comes down to calls, all right, so when it comes to mics, these are the mics on the SoundPEATS Air 3 Deluxe HS in a semi-quiet environment. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and switch to some background noise. All right, so now these are the mics in a crowded environment, simulated noise. This is a mic test. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. These are the Deluxe Air 3 HS. All right, so now these are the mics on the SoundPEATS Air 4 in a semi-quiet environment. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and throw on that background noise. So once again, these are the mics on the SoundPEATS Air 4 in a simulated environment. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 3, 2, 1. Which one do you think wins? So look, to basically keep it short and simple, if you want better sound quality with auto pause and to save a couple dollars, yo, the HS Deluxe is still a huge win. These will be good for a long time. But if you need that multi-point pairing like me and you want a little bit of ANC, yo, get these while these are on sale. The link is down below. It's Vitas Tech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.